made an account yet. So I will register once. I've already made 2 accounts, but this is the third one. So in our website, there are 2 types of users, guides and travelers. So after registering, the person will get an email. So if we go to the email and check the inbox, so let me go towards this side and check for an email over here. Okay, so we've got an email which says Trivi and activate your account. So once we click on this, we will be redirected to a page and our account will be activated. So if we click on the login, so we can go and log in with the credentials provided, and I can log in now. After logging in, I'll be going to this page. So what is this page? This page is asks you 2 things: if you're a guide or you're not, and your interests. So I'll choose my interests are cricket, military, tech. I don't want to be guide. I've already created 2 guides for so that the demo can be quicker. So if I submit this, and I want to operate, I want to see who all are there in New Delhi. So I click on submit. So I can see that there are 2 people there in New Delhi. One is Lorem Ipsum and one is Madhav Shekhar. So these 2 are sorted on the basis of the interests. So if we go to view profile, we can see that cricket and military, 2 of them are there which are common interests. And if we go here and see, again 2 are there which are common interests. But if we go back, and now I can go to profile and I'll remove military, which was my common interest with Lorem Ipsum. And now if I go, then the order will change, because Madhav now has 2 common interests with me and Lorem Ipsum has only 1 common interest with me. So on basis of this we are sorting. So in this case I'll choose Lorem Ipsum because Madhav is slide 8, which is expected or not. In this case I will not, and we'll contact him directly. Okay, so after this happens, the other person will get an email. I've opened that in a different here. There it is. So I'll go here and check my email, check the guide's email once. It hasn't come yet. Let me check if the emails. Oh, it should have come by now. Okay, so basically it should have come by now. I think Gmail is slow today. Okay, so there it is. So we've got an email which says someone has matched up with you and wants to meet you. So when we go to this, in this window I've logged in with the guides account from which I did. So we can go and click on this link, which will go to redirect to this page. So the guide can see the user, the traveler. So he can choose if he's interested or not interested on basis of the expected date, which we did not set in this case. So the interests. So let's say the guide is interested. So let's go to the other window where the other person has logged in. So if I go to the Gmail of this guy and refresh the page, okay, so here we have an email which says that Lorem Ipsum is interested, who is the guide. So we can ping up with him with this email. So after doing that, the guide can basically confirm if he wants to do this or not. Let's say he confirms. So after confirming, again this is an intermediary step. So because of that, it it basically tells that the guide for sure will attend the meeting. So once that is done, again an email will come which says that the guide has confirmed that he or she will be there. Next step is to start the meeting. Say the both of them talk together on email or something. At the moment, we don't have a chat platform, but in the future, we will make a one-to-one chat platform. And uh, basically, our main aim at the start is to acquire a big customer base. So we start the meeting. The meeting will not start until the um, the traveler clicks on this link. So if he clicks on this link, the meeting will start. See, the meeting has started. So after the meeting has started, uh, we can see this on the guides page. So if I refresh this page now, the end meeting button will be there. So if we end the meeting, again the same process will take place. An email would have gone to the traveler which says the guide has ended the meeting. Again, this guy, the traveler, has to click on this link to end the meeting. So what we're basically doing is that we're getting the difference in hours. In this case, it wasn't even a minute, so we're not charging anything. But the traveler can choose to pay the guide on a one-to-one basis. So after this happens, the guide will also get an email because he needs to know how much he has to be paid. So he will get an email, and after the traveler has paid him, he can click on this link and click on paid. So after he's clicked on paid, we will get that he will get that message, and again this guy will get an email. The traveler will get an email that the payment has been confirmed. Okay, so that is all about our website. Our website is basically what is to connect people with similar interests, but actually they are in different countries and they maybe don't even know each other before they have come to our platform. And if the person who the guide can show them around the city, and it usually is that people with similar interest tend to connect easier and they will understand better with them. So this is also a social platform in a time when social interaction is becoming very less. So that is what the aim of Trivy is, and that's it. Thank you.